What's going on, everyone? Today I'm so excited to show you the brand new 2025 139T by Sunset Park RV. This one right here has all the new upgrades and I can't wait to show you. So stick around and let's see the brand new 139T. All right, let's go over this 2025 micro toy hauler by Sunset Park RV. This sweet floor plan comes with a full outside kitchen, a nice garage space, toilet, roof rack, 200 watts worth of solar, a 2-inch ball up front, manual tongue jack, electric brake package with the 7-pin round wiring, the breakaway brake, a 20-pound propane tank, a grate to store things up front with a spare tire right underneath. And it even has a battery disconnect switch to turn it on and off your 12-volt system. Over on the side, we have 4 stabilizer jacks, 1 at each corner. Furnace exhaust. 4 marker lights that turn on with our running lights only. Over here is our outside shower with hot and cold water. Next to that is our drain for our inside sink. Over here is our dump station for our toilet and our gray water. Back here into our off-road tires with the 235/75 15s. That black steel wagon wheel on there. This is also showing you the extra option with that Blooper on the go ladder. Let's take a trip up there and see what's up top. This does come with a ladder bracket, just not the ladder. This does have a roof rack on the top, your vent for your 12-volt fan, and a 200-watt solar panel. Here's a drain system. Over here's your coaxial for your TV and cable. Window, this is your fire escape window that still opens up. Right there's your back gutter system and the roof rack up on top. This is a walkable roof. Right there's your back porch light. Here's your back toy hauler door. City water fill and freshwater fill. City water is when you're going camping at the campgrounds and you have pressurized water. Freshwater fills when you're going boondocking. Back here is going to be your 6-gallon water heater. Here's your 30-amp power cord plug. This has all LED lighting. Over on your porch side, you have your external propane connection right next to your outside kitchen with a 2-burner stove, a switch to turn on and off your 12-volt fridge. The 2-burner stove does come with a glass top, so you can use it for countertop space when you're not using the stove, and a sink cover for the same purpose. Storage underneath the sink. 12-volt fridge with 2 doors. Has a lock on it. Freezer section up top, and overhead cabinets. With the Bluetooth speaker and the appliance manuals inside. As we're closing the outside galley, we'll notice one of the differences. That these only come with a single latch, not the double latch on them anymore. I love it. Also up top, this has the power awning. And here is your AC vent from outside, or your AC intake. This is a 139T. Here's your step, screen door, as we walk inside, we'll notice a fire extinguisher and storage. Right above that, some microwave and countertop space with plugs. Then right in the center now, instead of the far left, we have our sink. So they moved it over a little bit for easier access. Storage underneath the sink. Over here is the heater blower. Storage here. And down below is the furnace access. Now we're looking into the garage area where we have our 4 D-rings. Over here is our closet with the toilet. That is an actual plumb toilet with a black tank. Here's our wardrobe bar up top and our light. I just had to turn on the light switch. The black tank does go into the gray tank, and I believe it's 28 gallons combined. Over here is our master control panel with our solar charge controller. This is showing what's coming in, what's going out, where our battery percentage is at, where the battery temp is at. We do have 200 watts of solar up there now instead of 100 watts. Here's our furnace. Here's our bed switches, bringing the bed up and down. I'll show you that at the end, so stick around. Over here is our master control panel with our water pump, water heater, all of our light switches, our awning, and then our levels for our battery and our water tanks. Push the button, see where we're at for levels. Quarter, half, 3/4 full. Over here is going to be our lights and some plugs for our bed when we're sleeping. Up top is our shelf with the magnetic door for the back ramp door and our air conditioner. Down here is our carbon monoxide detector and our fuse box and breaker box. This does have the auto detect, so you can choose in between AGM, lithium, or lead acid. Easy to close door. Nice heavy duty latches with locks. Okay, the first thing I want to do in order to lower this bed are take the safety pins out. There's one at each corner. Make sure you put them back in when you're not using the bed. Once the pins are out, all we're doing is lowering down the bed. There. Now this is where this stays. And what the point of this is for either a sofa or an extra bunk right here for an extra person. And then we have our main bed up top. But what we could do is take that bottom bunk out, which I show you in a whole new video with this 2023 right here. So make sure you check out that video as well. So, what do you think of the new upgrades? How do you like the new placement of the sink and that power awning outside? Plus, I just love this forest green color too. I think that's pretty slick. So, we've reached the end of the video, and I greatly appreciate you all for watching. If you like these videos, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button and keep on coming back for more. I have weekly uploads, I live in a converted van, and I love to chat about camping. I appreciate you all for coming, and I'll see you next week. Thanks, everyone. Okay, now I want to walk you through this bed and just show you what to do. It's as simple as this. We have a lift control button right here. It says up and down. Once we hit the down button, we just push and hold. And this bunk system is going to come down so far. And when the bunk system has come down to the point where, and then the bed will come down. I screwed that up because I forgot to take the pins out.